Nangita ba mo og laaganan na wala pa nailhan? Plus relaxing, presko og dili kayo daghan og tao? Tara na sa Verdania Cafe, hidden gem ni diri sa Davao City. Located ni sa Rima Street, Jeriza Subdivision, Bahada, Davao City.
Tara, paninin ninyo.
How to get there? Isgikan mo sa UMA, sakay lang mo Pagaisano Mall. From there, sakay mo og Route 4, then baba mo sa Shell at bang sa UIC. Pasulod lang gamay, walking distance lang ni, gikan sa Center for Asian Culinary Studies, easy access, and budget-friendly fare. Each person nagakantidad og 13 pesos, pero kung student ka, 11 pesos lang. Open daily from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Perfect for brunch, chill afternoons, or dinner hangouts. The place is once a preschool, karon usa na siya ka cozy garden cafe. The owner turned it into a peaceful sanctuary because of his deep love for nature. That's why it's called Verdania, from the word verde, representing nature and calmness. They offer a wide variety of coffee. For example, hot teas, sparkling drinks, plus pastas, rice meals, and dessert. Planning to celebrate something special? Pwede kayo na kinasili function room, just message their Facebook page for reservations. Free Wi-Fi, and yes, they accept cards and mobile payments too. So kung gusto ninyo og bugnaw sa mata, chill sa vibes, and perfect sa peace of mind, Verdania Cafe is your next favorite hammock spot. Tara na! Take a sip, take a break, and take that perfect Instagram shot. So Verdania Cafe is the perfect place for that.